So I finished the wall. I did the primer, then 2 times paint coat, so it looks nice now. So everything's ready to finishing. Now I'm gonna show you the finishing steps. First, I want to show you do the window trims. So I already have window trims from my previous project, so it was used, but still I can use it. So you can see the holes. I'm gonna use this trim for this side. So first I need to get the measurement. When I'm doing the trim, I just keep tiny bit space around the window frame. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this piece. So I got the measurement. I need to cut now. So this side is already cut. I need to cut this one 45-degree angle. So when I do these ones, I just use little bit over the mark, whatever the length I needed, because sometimes I made mistake. I don't want to cut short. So when you do like if you cut this short, you cannot use it anymore. So I just cut tiny bit longer than what I need, and then I'll cut if I have to, because sometimes always measure and cut, then when you go to do it, it's tiny bit short. I use earplug when I'm using the saw is too loud. So you need to have a meter saw to do these kind of jobs. So I need to get 45-degree angle. So this is my mark here. That is the inner mark. So I don't want to cut too short. Make sure the right okay, good. So let's go and try it. So I cut little bit too long, so I have to cut tiny bit from this side, but it's always better to cut longer and get the right length. So I cut the piece. Now I want to put it there. When you do this kind of trimming work, you need to have a nails for trimming. It's called finishing nails. So there are different sizes. You can get these ones from Home Hardware or Pioneer Building Material Place. I know Home Depot, they don't have these ones, the big store. So if you are using the hammer, so you need to have these ones. These ones, their head is very small, so you won't see after finishing job. So I just want to put this one here, hammer it. Both sides same. So I will not drive the nail inside fully, because in case if you made a mistake, so you still can easily remove this one. Now I'm gonna get the measurements for the other piece. So always get the measurement from the inner side. Okay, 16 and quarter. I made a mistake cutting these ones. This is the wider side, so I didn't pay attention, so I need to cut this way. So I did a little mistake cutting the wrong way, 45-degree angle. So see, these are the opposite sides. So luckily I have enough piece for the both sides. So now what I'm gonna do, I have to cut a little piece out from here. So to cut this one, I'm gonna use the hand saw. I have a little work table, can fold. Okay, it's one. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this piece tiny bit. It's a tiny bit, quarter inch, more than quarter inch. Shoot. Okay, now 16.5. Okay, I have to use the table saw. For this kind of work, I don't use the power tools. It easily can made a mistake. You see, these are not real wood. These are all pressed wood. So I did a perfect job this time. So that side is good. So I'm gonna drive a little nail for now. There's a hole here maybe. Okay, I cut this side piece too. Now it's good. So I had tiny bit space around and flush with the end. So now if you want, you can put the nails. So in this case, I'm not gonna put the nails by hammer. If you don't have the brad nailer gun, you can use the hammer. So last year I bought a gun, so I'm gonna put the nails using that nailer.